For this project, I have decided to focus on differentiated instruction. I made a jigsaw puzzle out of a cartoon. So I'll do that and then I'll discuss what the puzzle has to do with differentiated instruction. So you can come to this website and you can take any image and turn it into a puzzle, which is really neat. You can make it as big as you would like and as little as you would like. Okay, so there's my puzzle, and it shows all these students asleep, all facing the front of the room, and the teacher is saying, "I know you're as excited as I am about today's lesson." So the first thing is we don't ever want to see sleeping students. So what can this teacher do different to keep her students involved and interested in what she's teaching? Well, she can change the content, the process, the product, or the learning environment. So her content, we don't really know what it's over, but it could be more exciting. She could have pictures, maps, hands-on tactile stuff that has to do with her content. The process, so she's standing up there writing on the board, then she's probably going to turn around and lecture. So instead of lecturing, she could group students together, she could do graphic organizers, she could have a project, she could just have more involvement and more pizzazz about what she's teaching. The product is what the students make to show what they have learned or to show what they have learned. It's the assessment area. So this teacher is probably going to just give out a multiple choice test. And there are so many more other ways to assess other than testing. And so she could do presentations, models, verbal assessments, discussions. There's a lot of more options than just testing. And lastly, the learning environment. Instead of all the students facing the front of the room like they are in this picture, they could be grouped together. She could have flexible seating. She could spruce up her room and make it more inviting and add the warmth, change the wall color, add a rug. Those are just some ideas on what really changes the learning environment. Put some stuff on the walls. Just keep the kids interested and comfortable. And another thing I wanted to discuss about the differentiated instruction is Dr. Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences. You can put those multiple of those intelligences into your lesson plans and really hit something about every student, because every student is going to be strong in something. So we want to help strengthen their strong areas and also help strengthen their weak areas. We don't just want to focus on one particular area of the multiple intelligences. So that wraps up my presentation. Thank you for watching.